Today we're going to be taking a look at Grady-White's 2017 336 Canyon. This Canyon is outfitted with a bow thruster, gel coat coloring, and the legendary Grady-White CV2 hull. She has a stainless steel rub rail and also outfitted with the 300 Yamahas, which push this boat top speed of 55 miles an hour, best cruising speed 30 miles an hour, which will give you about 1.5 miles per gallon. Let's take a walk on board and look inside some of the features. First of all, inside, Grady has a large freezer box for your catch, fold up, fold down seating, engine purging area here, and combing bolsters all the way around the boat. We have 2 live wells and bait cutting station. At the helm, you'll also notice 3 bucket seats that all slide back and forth. Our electronics box and stainless steel 3-spoke tilt steering. Let's take a walk up front. Now, cabin area, you'll notice a spacious cabin with AC and room to take a little nap. In new this year model, we have our backrest that slides back and forth. For better viewing of this boat, come and see me, Dwayne Diggs, here at MarineMax Gulf Shores.